Hey, what's up guys? Stefan here. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to pack to travel. This is because I'm going to Phnom Penh. So I'm just gonna show you guys some tips and tricks on how I pack my luggage if I don't check in my luggage. I have this small tiny little one. So yeah, I'm going to Phnom Penh for a 4 days, 3 nights trip. So I'm gonna pack a really light ones. I'm not gonna travel heavy this time around because I'm flying AirAsia. I'm not checking in any luggage. So that's the reason why I'm packing light this time. You need to know how many days you're going first. Secondly, you need to know where will you be going from your itinerary, what you're gonna do, any nice restaurant. Oh hey, by the way, I'm a fan of big design, so I carry a backpack as well. Let's pack. Okay, let's start. I have a luggage here. This is the American Tourister, small one. Okay, for this time round, I'm traveling light. So I have a few of Fit Gear product. So I have two shirts here. And I'll bring another 3, so it's like 4 days. Just bring another one set for just in case. So 2 plus 3, 5. So just put it in. I prefer to put it this way. So because like this, when you're looking for luggage, you can see it's like, yeah, you can choose what you want to wear easily at a glance. So put aside the towel, compact enough to stack on it. Alright, second thing is my all this underwears or whatever it is. So I need to put. You guys might think that why don't I just use any organizers? I have, but it is broken, so I need to get a new one. So maybe this time around for this, I'll just slot it in here nicely. Hold it. And another one is I got this from Uniqlo. This is like the windbreaker. In Cambodia, I think it's pretty hot, so I'll just bring this along like this. Extras, I have a travel blanket. Normally I'll just bring along even in the aircraft during your flight. You can use. It's quite good. You can put your face on it. When you open it up, it's a blanket if you're cold. So yep, include this as well. For toiletries, I do recommend to bring the full gear because I have one full one. So what I recommend is just bring your normal needs like toothbrush. This is less than 100 ml, so I think it's safe to bring along. And I love this thing. This is a concentrated shower gel. So like a pinch, you can wash your whole body. It's really good. If you don't have all these small ones, like I did here, just bring a toothbrush, or don't bring at all. Just go there and buy some really small bottle, or even hotel they provide it. So for this time around, I'm just gonna bring these 4 items: the toothbrush, a concentrated shower gel, hair shampoo, and small toothpaste. So I'm gonna pack this later. I'll just put aside first. And oh yeah, of course, you need something. I need this. So this is a hair pomade. So 5 items from my toiletries. And most importantly, you need to charge your devices. So I have this. I get this from my sister. So this is very compact travel adapter. You can bring it anywhere you want. Just put it in. Open this up. This is travel adapter. And yeah, I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing sneakers. So I'll bring 5 pairs of socks, 4 plus 1, just in case you need any extras. Zip it up. Because I'm an Android user, so I'm using a Samsung phone, so this is Type-C cable. I can charge any of my devices. For example, this one, I'm using this one for this GoPro is using Type-C. So Type-C and my phone Type-C. So I can charge both at the same time. Cool. But of course, I have my this. What do you call that? Okay, I have my power bank, small, lightweight, a Type-C head converter with a normal micro USB. So I can charge this camera and this camera with this cable. Save the hassle. Since I'm going to Cambodia, I'm bringing this. This is like a, how to say? This is like a neck. Skin is pretty. I think the sun is gonna pretty hot. So this is for the neck. Just slot it in. If I put all this in, I'm done. But yeah, to pack this, you're not gonna throw this, alright? You're not gonna throw like this because this gonna spill. It might spill all over. So just take this, all this, packed it with a wrap or a ziplock bag. Done deal, and you're ready to go. So all those things packed and nicely put in here. Zip it, close the bag, and it's all ready to go. And oh yeah, of course, let me just show you guys something, alright? I highly recommend you guys, please bring along your travel kit. It has been with me for years. So I have my passport in here, I have my extra cash, just in case. I have all my cards, all my SIM cards, and a pen to fill in forms. So if you don't want it, just get a pouch. Just get a pouch like this, passport pouch. If you're traveling, for example, money like this, or even flip it, slot it in. Done. You're ready to go. So yes, always bring a kit. You might lose your passport or money, or yeah, just make it compact and easy for you to find your stuff. Even you can put your air ticket in here, right? So other than that, please prepare your currency. For this time around, I'm going to Cambodia. I'm bringing US dollars. Let me just show you something else. So this one, simple, easy, clip it. Oh yeah, if you want to put your dirty clothes, just put this side, and yeah, it's separated. All right, it's separated. So just zip it, close it, and you're ready to go. But for me, I will bring other stuff, which is my backpack, which is this. This is my everyday backpack. I carry to work, carry to travel. For this one, it's pretty cool because you see, you can open it from the sideways. I can put all my stuff in here. Oh, what is this? Okay, so I have my design. This one to hold on to my camera if I need to shoot something. A USB light, USB fan. So for inside, you have pretty much slots you can do. So I will pack this camera and this camera in here. So on the go, And of course, if you need a media pouch, well, you can get any media pouch. For me, I'm using this. Well, big design as well. Oh, anyway, this is not a sponsored video, alright? So I got this. So I packed everything in here, whatever it is, your power bank or whatever thing it is you want. The fit, just slot it in, close it, and zip it, and you're good to go. Another thing is, so for this bag, I have slots over here. So just now, I have this, right? I have this. So for me, it's really simple. Open this up, slot this in, zip, and I'm good to go. And here, oh, just here, I'll put my documents, I'll put my laptop on a go, a really small one. I have a Microsoft Surface, really small one, and yeah. Another side, here, okay, I'll have a small little torch, backup, my extra battery for cameras, to put in here, all the slots. Oh yeah, I can put my cable in here. Alright, one thing I love about this bag is luggage, expandable. Cool. So I think that's about it, about my packing, how compact or travel light to a short trip. I have two. One is my backpack and another one will be my luggage. That is how I actually travel and how I pack my stuff if I travel light. Well, if I'm going somewhere else, I will have a different luggage, which a bigger ones. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and there's a bell there. Just click that one, and if I post anything, you will get a notification that I have already shared something to you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright? Ciao!